Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be going over Maya's Adjust Clipping Plane bonus tool. To get the bonus tools yourself, follow the simple install tutorial found in this video's description. This tool is super simple to use and can be a nice way to adjust your camera's clipping plane in a more intuitive UI. We can get to this tool by heading up to Bonus Tools, Display, Adjust Clipping Planes. You can see we get two sliders which we can adjust to change our camera's clipping planes. I think the tool is quite self-explanatory. I do have a further tutorial on clipping planes which I made a while ago which you can check out. A nice simple tool, and what I like is we can just leave the UI down in the corner for easy access for whilst we're working. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Patreon for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.